Ever wondered why we're so drawn to fairy tales and movies, even when we know they're not real? That's the magic of Law 32, play to people's fantasies. It's about creating a world so enchanting that reality pales in comparison. This law is the secret key to captivating and influencing people. This law teaches us the power of imagination over reality. It's not about lying, it's about presenting a version of reality so appealing that people can't help but be drawn to it. Let's dive into some historical examples to see this law in action. Think about Venice in the 16th century. Once a prosperous city, it faced decline due to shifting trade routes. The Venetians longed for their past glory and were ripe for a savior. Enter Bragadino, a self-proclaimed alchemist who promised to turn ordinary metals into gold. He captivated the entire city with the promise of returning Venice to its former wealth and splendor. Despite the grim reality of their situation, the Venetians chose to believe in Bragadino's miraculous abilities, illustrating how powerful the allure of a better imagined future can be. Now, let's look at a fable, The Obsequies of the Lioness. In this story, the lion's wife dies, and all animals come to console him, acting in ways that please the lion, regardless of their true feelings. The deer, who had been wronged by the lioness, didn't cry and was reported by a flatterer. This tale shows how people often forsake reality to conform to expectations, driven by the power of social imagination. The lesson from this law is clear. Tapping into people's imagination is far more powerful than sticking to plain facts. To influence people, weave a narrative that speaks to their dreams and hopes. Whether it's in marketing, leadership, or personal relationships, painting a compelling picture of the future can be more motivating than the grim reality. Imagine you're a storyteller, around a campfire with everyone hanging onto your every word. Your story is not just a series of events, but a vivid world that captivates and inspires. That's what Law 32 is about, becoming a master storyteller who can touch the imagination and move people. How can you craft a narrative that captures the imagination? Share your ideas, hit like if you're inspired to be a storyteller, and follow for more insights into the art of influence through imagination.